Enabling two-factor authentication to FA on your Skyscanner account adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Skyscanner website or open the app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the Profile or Menu section, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Find Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Security or Privacy. Click on it to access your security options. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to enable it, which may include selecting your preferred method, e.g., SMS or authentication app, and verifying your choice. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After enabling 2FA, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that two-factor authentication is now active on your account. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Skyscanner account and protect your personal information.